All right. Back with another one. Today we're gonna go full Geek Squad mode, right? I'm gonna show you some one cool thing in Google Sheets. And please, somebody book me for not only this, but something that has to do with Google Sheets, right? Whether it's something you want to do on your own, personal, or schoolwork, right? It's really cool, Google Sheets, right? So please book me. All right, so this right here, we're gonna go full Geek Squad, and we're gonna show you how you can translate words into either 1, 2, 3, 4, and even 20 different languages at once if you wanted to, right? Now listen, I understand. You can go to Google Translate and you can type in a word and then get it, right? But then if you want to do another word, you gotta, exit out of here, and then you gotta do another word, and then go here. And say you want to do multiple languages at once, then you gotta click here, and then you gotta go here, right? So I'm gonna show you a faster way to translate multiple words at once into multiple languages at once. Okay. Now listen, I don't know if you're going to use it, not use it, when you're going to use it, but here's the idea with all these videos. There are tools in your toolbox, right? So when you go to a construction site, you're not going to use every single tool in your toolbox. You're going to use it as needed. There you go. So if something ever happens where you might want to use something like this, you're like, oh, okay, now I can do it like this way. All right. So this is just a tool in your toolbox. That's why I make all these videos. Just keep adding to your knowledge. All right, first things first. You're gonna create a spreadsheet just like this, right? So my example is I have English words on the left, Spanish, Chinese, and Arabic. I'm gonna translate all these at once. First thing you have to understand is you have to enter in a formula under Spanish, Chinese, and Arabic, under the cell directly underneath the word of the language, right? So these are cells, okay? So you're just gonna enter in a formula just once. And I'm gonna paste the formula in the email, and I'm gonna put it in the description below, don't worry, okay? So here's what you do. You go to the first cell underneath Spanish, and then you you put the formula in, okay? This is the formula. Let me zoom in, okay? Formula is equals Google Translate. Now, a couple of things to know, just if you want to know what these things mean. All right, I'm gonna transcribe this Google formula language for you. So this cell is gonna Google Translate cell A4. Remember, it's a grid system. Column A, cell 4. Just like on your, you read your salary, right? It's a grid system. There you go. That's what it is, right? So A4 is gonna go from English to Spanish, okay? Notice when you want to enter in a different language to translate, it's the first two letters of that language, English and Espanol, okay? For China, let's go with Japanese, I'm sorry. For Japanese, right? Japanese, it would be JA, and then for Arabic, it would go AR, okay? So that's the first thing. All right, second thing is this. You put the formula in, okay? You're going to click this blue square right here, and you're just going to drag it all the way down. That copies this value so that you can translate these values over here. Notice if I click on this, it says A8. So A8 would translate into here, okay? Now let's go Japanese. Remember, put the formula in, and now you're just going to change the ES to JA. Okay, enter. And then you're just gonna click on it, click on the blue, drag it down. Then for Arabic, same thing, paste. You're gonna change the ES to AR, enter, okay? And then you're just gonna left click and drag it down, okay? Now, let's make it more pretty, right? Let's add right here, let's add a border to it. All right, there, it looks way better that way. Jeez. All right. All right, so now, obviously it says value, right, because there's nothing inputted over here. So let's try it out. Let's write hello. Magic. Look it, Spanish, Japanese, Arabic. Let's write school. Bam, Spanish, Japanese, Arabic. All right, now let's say you wanted to copy, right, from a Google document, you just right click, copy, and then you click into here and you just paste. Look at that. Look how fast it did it. All these different languages, right? And let's do this one. Let's go water, air, fire. What's the other element? I have no idea. Oxygen. No, I don't know. Let's just do hair. I don't know. I'm just thinking of random words. All right, so look how fast that did that. You left click and just make this look pretty. There you go, right? This is your personalized translator. That's cool, all right? I know you might not use it, but it's just really cool to see. And it's it's techie. I like it. It's good to go. All right? So, if you want to do this, please book me. Please. Okay? If you have any questions, contact me or Melissa. Have a great day.